Discover blender-free recipes, overnight prep tricks, and office-friendly jars for busy professionals, students, and parents. Why 5-minute smoothies are the ultimate morning game-changer? Let's face it, mornings are chaos. Between rushing to work, packing lunches, and herding kids out the door, breakfast often falls by the wayside. But skipping the most important meal of the day doesn't have to be your norm. Enter 5-minute smoothie hacks, your secret weapon for nourishing, grab-and-go breakfasts that fit even the busiest schedules. In this guide, we'll unlock time-saving strategies, minimalist ingredient lists, and genius tools, like portable blenders and shaker bottles, to help you whip up delicious smoothies faster than you can hit snooze. Whether you're a sleep-deprived parent, a student cramming for exams, or a professional juggling back-to-back meetings, these hacks are your ticket to a healthier, happier morning routine. Hack number 1. Smoothies you can prep the night before. Or prep tonight, blend tomorrow. No morning madness required. Why it works? Prepping ingredients the night before cuts morning prep time by 90%. Simply store pre-portioned ingredients in jars or containers, then dump and blend when you're ready. 3 make-ahead recipes. 1. Tropical Overnight Power Smoothie. 1. Night before. In a jar, layer frozen mango, spinach, chia seeds, and coconut flakes. 2. Morning. Add coconut water and blend, or shake if using a portable blender. 1. Peanut butter banana freezer pack. 1. Night before. In a reusable bag, combine sliced banana, peanut butter, oats, and cinnamon. 1. Freeze. 2. Morning. Dump into a blender with almond milk. 1. Berry antioxidant jar. 1. Night before. In a mason jar, mix frozen berries, Greek yogurt, hemp seeds, and a splash of orange juice. 2. Morning. Stir and enjoy as a thick smoothie bowl. Pro tip. Use silicone freezer trays to pre-freeze liquids like almond milk or coffee for extra thick textures. Hack number 2. Blender-free smoothie bowls, shaker bottle magic, no blender? No problem. The shaker bottle method. Forget bulky appliances. Grab a shaker bottle, yes, the kind you use for protein shakes. Here's how. 1. Add pre-chopped soft ingredients, banana, avocado, spinach, to the bottle. 2. Pour in liquid, oat milk, juice, or water. 3. Add pre-frozen fruit, berries, mango, as ice cubes. 4. Shake violently for 60 seconds. 5. Top with granola or nuts and eat straight from the bottle. No blender recipe ideas. 1. Mango sunrise bowl. Mango chunks plus orange juice plus spinach plus protein powder. 1. Shake and top with coconut. 2. Almond joy shake. Almond butter plus cocoa powder plus dates plus almond milk. 2. Shake and sprinkle with cacao nibs. Tool recommendation. The Blender Ball Shaker Bottle, $8, has a wire whisk ball for lump-free blending. Hack number 3. Office-friendly smoothie jars that stay fresh. Say goodbye to sad desk salads and hello to vibrant smoothie jars. How to pack a non-soggy smoothie jar. The key is layering. 1. Bottom layer. Liquid, almond milk, coconut water, or yogurt. 2. Middle layer. Soft fruits, veggies, banana, steamed zucchini. 3. Top layer. Crunchy add-ins, granola, nuts, seeds, stored in a tiny separate container. 3 commute-proof recipes. 1. Matcha energy jar. 1. Layer 1. Almond milk plus matcha powder. 2. Layer 2. Frozen pineapple plus spinach. 3. Layer 3. Separate pumpkin seeds plus shredded coconut. 1. Chocolate overnight oats smoothie. 1. Layer 1. Chocolate protein powder plus oats plus almond milk. 2. Layer 2. Frozen cherries. 3. Layer 3. Separate almond butter drizzle. 1. Savory green glory jar. 1. Layer 1. Coconut water plus lime juice. 2. Layer 2. Avocado plus cucumber plus parsley. 3. Layer 3. Separate everything bagel seasoning. Pro tip. Use leak-proof jars like mason jars with Paraflex lids, $12 for 4, to avoid spills. Time-saving tools for 5-minute smoothies. Invest in these gadgets to slash prep time. 1. Portable blenders. 1. NutriBullet Pro 900, $99. Crushes ice in seconds, dishwasher safe. 2. Hamilton Beach Fresh Blend Go, $25, budget-friendly with a travel lid. 1. Pre-cut frozen packs. 1. Daily Harvest, $6.99 per smoothie, pre-portioned organic smoothie cups delivered weekly. 2. DIY frozen cubes. Freeze pre-chopped spinach, fruit, or coffee in ice trays. 1. Multi-use shaker bottles. 1. Hydro flask shaker, $30, keeps smoothies cold for 24 hours. Minimalist ingredient lists for lazy morning. Stock your pantry with these versatile staples. 1. Frozen fruit. Mixed berries, mango, banana. 2. Greens. Baby spinach, mild flavor. 3. Liquids. Almond milk, coconut water. 4. Protein. Vanilla protein powder, Greek yogurt. 5. Healthy fats. Chia seeds, almond butter. Formula for 5-minute success. 1 liquid plus 1 fruit plus 1 green plus 1 protein, fat equals done. FAQ. Your 5-minute smoothie questions, answered. Q. Can I prep smoothies for the whole week? A. Yes. Freeze ingredient packs for up to 3 months. Q. Do blender-free smoothies taste gritty? A. Use soft ingredients, banana, avocado, and shake vigorously. Q. How do I keep smoothies fresh at the office? A. Store jars in a mini fridge or insulated lunch bag. Reclaim your mornings in 5 minutes flat. You don't need hours to eat well, just smart strategies and the right tools. With these 5-minute smoothie hacks, you'll fuel your body, save time, and conquer busy mornings like a pro.